So this is very, very exciting times for ZHP Garage, and based off the title of the video, you know exactly why. For both of us, we have been working towards this for, I would say, about 2 years now. We have really been trying hard to get a place that we could go and do more work in. You know, we have more room to spread out, and especially the past 3, 4, 5 months, it's really been a crunch to look for a place like this, and we have finally found one, and we are very excited to show you guys for the very first time and to make a whole video showing it. So without further ado, let's go and check it out. Here it is, everybody, in all of its glory. The people that were in this before, we didn't know them, but we've been by this shop a couple times. They abused this place for a number amount of years. They were the typical mechanics that just thrash everything and make a mess. So we're gonna spend the time to clean it up. We got some things in mind. We want to obviously take stuff down off the wall, you know. So we got a nice TV mount that we're not going to use. We're not going to watch ourselves while we're working on our videos. We're not going to watch our own videos.
It ain't so right now.
It ain't so right now. We plan to paint the walls all white because they have their nice logo right on the wall. If they didn't have their logo on the wall, we'd probably just leave the walls as they are.
I was going to do an Audi logo, but it'd probably break down.
It'd probably morph into a RX 350. It'd be parked on the golf course. How about you walk us around and show us some of the big things that we're going to change, some of the big things that are going on right here, right now.
Well, this is one of them. So this big old wreck was mounted to the wall right here. I don't know what this thing is, but obviously we took it down. We're going to cut this thing up and trash it. These pieces back here were some sort of barricade. I guess they didn't want to see the oil tank, but we're going to move the oil tank. We inherited that. That was kind of cool.
Yeah, we got an
oil tank.
Got an oil tank. We'll probably move that oil tank to over here so it's easier for the guy that comes to, you know, take the waste oil out.
Suck it.
So it's closer to the door. Yeah, this over here was hung up on the wall next to this nice TV mount.
Yeah, this was a Boca-fied shelf.
Yeah, I don't know who would even use it because it couldn't even handle any weight.
Nothing on the wall. So
yeah.
Taking that down.
No TV, man.
Sign down, banner down.
Yeah. Battery, interstate batteries sold here. Not gonna use these barrels over here. We'll probably give it to the people that are letting us use the shop.
And then we'll probably put a fresh coat of white, get rid of this two-tone.
So as you see right here, there is a 2-bay door. These doors are really wide. They're about like 19 feet wide each. So on the first door over here, we plan in the future to put a rack. It probably won't be really anytime soon, but that's just where we'll plan to put the rack. Is on this first door right here, and then over on this other door in this space it'll be a flat stall for our projects, our long-term projects. So whether it's 1 Camaro, 2 Camaro,
C10s,
Mustangs,
frames, yeah, Mustangs, you got a Mustang,
Impalas, man, anything, Novas,
you name it, we do it here.
One-stop burger shop. You hungry?
Yeah, I am hungry. So one of the bigger changes is we're doing away with this I don't know what it is, some makeshift little lofty bedroom thing former people added.
There was people, from what we've heard, they said people were living in here.
Check this out, you gotta see this. Look at the bathroom here.
Yeah, look at the bathroom in all its glory.
Look at this.
Want to see this nice paint job in here?
They had the escape hatch up to the creeper room. So I don't know what they had going on. They added like a shower pan over here.
Yeah, right where this hole was cut, there's a shower pan. Right up there.
So we gotta clean this up. But this is gonna stay. We gotta have a bathroom.
Yeah, bathroom staying.
So this is staying. So we're getting rid of the creeper room.
And then we're getting rid of this counter.
Taking the counter out. It's gonna be our storage.
From what we heard, this counter's been here for like ever. We're gonna tear apart the original car. That's us.
Yep. Numbers matching. We're gonna take that numbers matching, throw it out the window.
Sorry, not sorry.
So clean up the lights. I don't know what happened to the lights. Looks like they're playing monkey bars with them. We could add a couple lights back here. It's really dark, there's nothing going on.
So yeah, that's pretty much the shop. You know what I mean? Not much to it. We're here to work. And that's the purpose of it. So the first thing we're gonna start with is tearing this down, cutting it up and getting it out of here. And you know, there's a lot of stuff we have to do. After we get the stuff off the walls, we're gonna move on to tearing down that room and the counter and everything, and then move on from there. So this video here is gonna be recorded over the next month or two. So we got a lot in store. So you grab your popcorn, you sit back, and you enjoy what's about to happen. Let's go.
So now we're gonna tear down our little loft area. It's kind of creepy. Wait till I get the walls down. You see they got a nice makeshift shower up there, but it's coming down. We're cleaning this up. Go in. Trying to break it, it's almost there. Coming down a bit. Ah, it's coming down, yeah. Woo! One grip. You want to stand up where you fit? You gotta tilt it.
That was ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh my god. how many screws are in there?
Dude, I don't know. Goodness gracious.
Finally.
Look at all these stupid screws that had holding it up there.
We got 30 screws just for one TV stand.
Man, we're taking the TV stand down. We're not going to be here watching our own videos. We got work to do.
Man, ain't nothing like melted white chocolate.
It's like, oh, look at it.
That is all 67 Camaro parts, all right there. Pretty crazy. Well, there it is, everybody. All cleaned up for the most part. We still got a little bit of paint to put on this wall. I don't know, east wall.
Not the west one.
No, not the west wall.
Not the west wing.
The east wall. Pretty much other than that, this is how it's gonna be. It's all cleaned up. We got it all demoed over there. And that, dude, that countertop, that thing was made of concrete.
No, really, it was concrete.
It was literally concrete. So I don't know how if they poured it right there, I don't know. It was concrete though.
It's concrete.
That was a heavy countertop. We even got rid of interstate batteries, man. Poor interstate batteries, no more.
Just gotta get rid of this clunker Camaro.
I don't know what 67 Dave's doing with it here. He thinks it's getting worked on or something. So what's in store now? What are some of the tools we have lying around here? Like, what do you want to say to the viewers?
Well, we got the sun installed. I can't even look at it because it's like super bright. Got the lights straightened out. We left a little space over here because we're gonna be adding a lift.
As you can see right here, were the previous lifts from the person in here before. He had like 3 lifts in here, which was kind of tight for this space, if you don't think so.
The arm's gonna line up with the wall here, so you can pull a car in even with the door. So it'll probably be right in this area. That's why there's a spot in the lights for a car to go up.
Yeah, that's why there's a gap right here. See, there's a light there, light there.
Got the tranny bench back from my dad's house, one I made back in high school, or right out of high school.
We got 220 installed on the wall, as you saw right there. We got 2 plugs for 220. We got a nice cabinet for other tools and such. As you saw, we hung some signs right here. We got stop, dead end. We don't want you running into the wall, so.
Bad news going through the wall.
You better stop right there. And then we got to get some white paint to finish off this right here. But other than that, I'd say it's done. This is our new shop, everybody.
Definitely a lot cleaner. It's not. It's an extension.
This isn't our shop, but this is where our shop is going to be. However you want to word it, man. How do you want to word it?
This is somewhere where I come and tinker. This is a tinker place. One of the doors is messed up, so we got one replaced. This one here is pretty bad too.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna use it as much because this flat area.
I think we explained it earlier, but the way it works is the car furthest this way is the longest term project.
And the messiest.
Yeah.
It's the messiest one. So yeah, these ones are like flat, like builds. And then with the rack, there's more in and out.
Yeah, where the rack is going to be is more like, you know, quick stuff like brakes or whatever.
Yeah, so this door here, I mean, yeah, it's messed up, but it'll make it. Probably wind up replacing this one probably another year or so, hopefully.
But yeah, for now we got one door because the other one didn't even open. I don't know if we said that before, but
Yeah, the guys that changed it barely got it up to change it. We still got to deal with the bathroom. We got to paint the bathroom and give that some love, but we'll get there. We'll get it all fixed up.
But for now we have a nice little cabinet, or what do you want to call it?
Little storage in
Shelving,
the bathroom.
shelving storage,
Paper towels and
gloves and
backpacks,
shampoo.
underwear,
No, we don't have the creeper room anymore. No underwear.
socks,
No.
change of clothes.
I think that encompasses it all, everybody.
Everybody.
Anything now to say now that we have a new shop to the viewers?
Yeah, man, bring it on, bring it on. What do you want done?
We're backlogged. Just so, if we tell you we're 6 months out, we're not lying to you. We're not trying to not work on your car.
Yeah,
We're dead
We
serious.
only got one guy here and then a chump, so it takes a little time.
So
He does all the work. I do all the sweeping.
no, my grandpa does all the work. Remember, my grandpa builds all the cars.
Grandpa builds all the car. We do all the sweeping. That story's not gonna hold up too well anymore because he's not around.
So everybody, hit the subscribe button. You got to stay tuned. We got more space to work now. So we got a lot ahead. There's a lot ahead, I can tell you. I'm not joking when we say we're like 6 months
We
out.
can really stack up the cars now. We'll line them up. I'm gonna go push this car in. I'm gonna go get the getting.
Well, hope you guys have a good one. See you later.